Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the driver power window, guys, this is the front left window fuse. We're going to demonstrate, guys, on the 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have two different fuse boxes. The main fuse box is known as the engine bay fuse box. It's behind the car battery, and if you open that fuse box, it will look like this one. You will, guys, have different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find sometimes, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. The fuse that we need for the driver power window is located inside your cabin, guys. If you come in the passenger footwell, okay, right here, and on the right side by that kick panel, you remove that plastic there and you open that fuse box. You have a layout that looks just like this one. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays first, so we don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, that you will need to find specifically for the driver power window, guys, okay, driver power window. If you come right here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You're going to see the numbers on the left side, 23, 24, 25. And you come right here, guys, 25 is the fuse that we need. It's that 30 amp fuse. So 1, 2, 3. Third fuse from bottom to top, from top to bottom on the left side right here. Check this thing out. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.